$40,000 a year versus $100,000 a year, which person do you think becomes wealthy? Most people instantly assume the person making $100,000 wins. But in this video, I'm going to show you something that surprises almost everyone. A lower income investor can completely beat a higher income saver. And by the end of this video, you will see exactly why income is not the deciding factor in building wealth. Behavior is. In this video, you're going to learn why earning more money does not automatically build wealth, how early investing beats late investing even with much lower income, what real ETF math looks like over decades, and how a beginner can set this up inside Fidelity without complexity. Let's create two people. Person A earns $40,000 per year. Person B earns $100,000 per year. Same age, same city, same cost of living. The only difference is how they use their money. Person A is not rich. They do not have massive cash flow. But they do one thing extremely well. They invest early. They invest consistently. They invest $300 per month into broad market ETFs. That is it. No trading, no hype, no complicated strategies. Person B earns a great income, but they mostly save. They tell themselves, I'll invest seriously later. I want to feel more stable first. I should build up cash before I invest. They save aggressively, but they only invest a small amount, $100 per month, and sometimes they skip months. From the outside, the saver looks smarter. They have more money in the bank. They have more income. They feel safer. But safety and wealth are not the same goal. Now let's look at real numbers. Both people invest into simple ETFs. Both earn the same long-term market return. Person A invests $300 per month for 30 years. Person B invests $100 per month for 30 years. Person A earns far less, but invests far more consistently. After 30 years, the lower income investor ends with roughly $600,000. The higher income saver ends with roughly $200,000. Same market, same ETFs, same time. Completely different behavior. This result feels wrong because we are trained to believe income creates wealth. It doesn't. Income only creates opportunity. Behavior determines what happens to that opportunity. Saving is extremely important, but saving does not compound. Saving does not multiply. Saving preserves money. Investing grows money. When you earn a lot of money, you feel like you have time. You feel like you can fix things later. You feel like you can make up for it. But time is the one thing income cannot buy back. Lower income investors usually build discipline earlier. They automate. They protect consistency. They treat investing like a bill. High income savers often delay. They rely on future income to solve current behavior. That is a dangerous trade. Wealth is built by three things: how early you start, how consistently you invest, how long you stay invested. Income is not on that list. Let's say the higher income saver finally wakes up 10 years later. Now they start investing $500 per month. It helps, but they can never recover the compounding years they skipped. Late money works hard. Early money works forever. Every year you delay, you are not delaying returns. You are delaying the years that create future returns. That loss compounds. If you are early in your career, your income is not the problem. Your timeline is your advantage, but only if you use it. Inside your Fidelity brokerage account, you do not need a complicated setup. You choose one broad market ETF. You automate your deposits. You automate your purchases. You scale your contributions when your income rises. You do not wait to feel ready. You let the system build readiness for you. Automation removes income from the equation. It turns investing into a system, not a decision you renegotiate every month. The lower income investor did not win because they were lucky. They won because they started earlier and never stopped. The higher income saver did not lose because they earned less. They lost because they waited. If you earn $40,000, you are not disqualified from building wealth. If you earn $100,000, you are not guaranteed to build it. The market does not reward income. It rewards behavior. And the person who starts sooner and stays consistent longer will almost always beat the person who plans to start later.